Our life becomes what we think. If we think small, life stays small. If we think big, life becomes big. So today's story will teach us a powerful lesson. Listen to it carefully. There was a railway station, and in that station lived a beggar. Every day, he asked people for money. That was how he survived. One day, he saw a businessman. The man was wearing a fine suit. He looked rich and confident. The beggar thought, "This man is rich. If I ask him for money, he will give me more." So the beggar went to him and held out his hand. The businessman looked at him and said, "Do you always ask from others? Have you ever given anything to anyone?" The beggar was surprised. No one had ever asked him this before. The beggar replied, "Sir, I am just a beggar. I have nothing to give." The businessman smiled and said, "If you think you have nothing to give, then you also have no right to ask. I am a businessman. I believe in exchange. To receive something, you must give something." Saying this, the businessman got on the train and left. The beggar stood there quietly. His mind was filled with thoughts. Is it true? He wondered. People don't give me much because I don't give anything in return. That night, he could not sleep. He kept thinking and thinking. 2 days passed. On the third day, something changed. Near the railway tracks, he saw some small, beautiful flowers growing. Red, yellow, and white flowers. He had an idea. What if I give people flowers? If they give me money, I will give them a flower. He picked some flowers and went back to his usual spot. Someone gave him a coin. He smiled and gave them a flower. The person smiled back. For the first time, people looked happy. For the first time, the beggar felt good. Day by day, something wonderful happened. More people gave money, because now the beggar was giving something in return. One day, he saw the same businessman again. He ran to him happily. He said, "Sir, today I have something to give. If you give me money, I will give you flowers." The businessman smiled. He gave him money and took the flowers. He said, "Now you are not a beggar. Now you are a businessman." The businessman left, but his words stayed in the beggar's heart. The beggar thought, "Yes, I am not a beggar anymore. I am selling flowers. I have a business." So he stopped begging forever. He started buying and selling flowers properly. He worked hard every day. His small idea became a real business. 6 months later, the businessman came to the same station. He saw a well-dressed man standing there. The businessman asked, "Do I know you?" The man smiled and said, "Yes, sir. I was the beggar." The businessman was surprised. "You look different now." The flower seller replied, "You taught me the greatest lesson. To receive, first we must give." I changed my thinking, and my life changed. They shook hands as equals. Final message. Your life is shaped by your thoughts. If you believe you are weak, you will stay weak. If you believe you are strong, you will become strong. So always remember, when your mindset changes, your future changes. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.